Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about a subject which is a very important thing this body does. One is constipation. Sometimes you have loose motion, and when you want to urinate, the urge is there, but there is no place where you can go and urinate. What happens? You feel sick, right? And if you're allowed to do it, the urge is there and you have a space to do it. That is like, attaining the Swarga. Don't you agree with me? Because health is wealth. You might have a lot of money, you might have everything, but if your health is not cooperating, what is a big point in having so much of money which is not going to be of any use to you, right? So what I'm trying to tell you is keep yourself healthy. Health is the most important wealth, like it's said by everybody. World Health Organization also says that. So what you've got to do is, now when you have constipation, I'll give you a small tip. When you have temporary constipation, I am very particular about that, you can use castor oil because it's an immediate instinct, that urge you will get, right? So you can use that, not much, have half a teaspoon or even a quarter teaspoon to start with. Just have that and I'm sure your stomach will get clear, and use it only as a temporary mode. Do not use it as a permanent mode because it will have repercussions. So never do that. So have in small quantity, maybe some 2-3 times in that temporary period you can have, and that too very small amount, and clear your stomach. After that, your system gets used to getting that instinct again. So wait for that. It will definitely happen. So just don't be in a hurry to gobble all the castor oil. Please do not do that. As I told you, it has negative repercussions. And see, when you have loose motion, what happens is it helps to clear the stomach. All the gastric and toxins come out. But if it goes beyond a point, then you are in danger. So to curb that, what you can do is have a lot of buttermilk. When I say buttermilk, it should be in small quantity. Water should be say 3/4, then quarter should be buttermilk. Should not have in that thick buttermilk. If you have it in thick buttermilk, there is no point. And there is a saying, my mom used to keep saying that. At that time never understood because it was in Sanskrit. Langanam parama aushadam. Langanam means fasting. Okay, it is Sanskrit. Langanam parama aushadam. So aushadam means that is the best medicine. Parama, best medicine you can ever get. Langanam parama aushadam is something which you can follow when you are having heavy loose motions. Better to stay empty stomach and clear your problems, then keep hogging food. So you got to stay empty stomach. That is for loose motion. For constipation, use the castor oil to clear all your stomach, but both in small quantity. As I said, buttermilk in small quantity, water consistency should be more, and same here, castor oil should be very negligibly had. Okay, and you can try that. Sometimes I feel having lot of money, but you are having the urge to urinate, or you want to clear your stomach, and you are not in a place where you can do it. You will feel as if very restless, and you will feel I am not healthy at all. I am not healthy at all, and you will feel very restless. Either you will feel like vomiting, you want to go clear the stomach, you are unable to do it, but you have lot of money, but that space is not there where you can immediately clear your urge is not there. That is very painful and very unhealthy, but to clear your stomach when the urge is there is like attaining Swarga as far as I am concerned. And when you want to urinate and you have the right place to urinate, that is the best Swarga one can ever have. Not the money. Money cannot give you Swarga, but your good health can give you Swarga. So always remember that you have got to keep your health in a very wealthy manner. So till I meet you next. Bye.